In this video, we're going to learn how to export a workflow. Now, when we export a workflow in JSON, it converts it into a text file, and the file format is JSON. And that means that the format can be used as a set of instructions for how n8n should open it back up and turn it into a workflow. And that means you're able to share workflows with other people quite easily. So let's get onto it. In the top right-hand corner of this workflow, you can click on the three dots, and a context menu appears, and you can click on the second menu option, which is download, and it will download a text file in the background. You won't maybe see it in your browser, and so what I'm going to do is just quickly open it up for you so you can have a look at it and see what it looks like. Unfortunately, I can't expand the font, but here we can see a structured document with partly readable English language, and that means that both I can read the JSON file, and it also means n8n can read the JSON file. So we now have exported our document and our workflow so that we can send it to someone or we can load it back up as we please. Hopefully you found this useful. If so, please like and subscribe.